Alright, how do we sound? Awesome. Right, my people, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. So, last time I did the rest of the Bronze Cup off camera, and I've just got into the ship and it started a cutscene, but I paused it before anything played, so here you go.
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for, you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent Lombaxes running around trying to ruin everything! So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive! But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And if those Lombaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
Alright. Help Turdy, optional.
I've forgotten about you, Trudy.
Hunt for Lombax lore. Find the missing chief. Oh, chef, sorry. Oh, it tells you there at the bottom who you play as in the corner. So Savali will be playing as Ratchet, and Blizzard Prime will be playing as Rivet.
Hope all's well with Ratchet.
Well, considering we've just played as Rivet, let's jump back to Ratchet. Make sure he's all good.
If I knew how to build a Dimensionator, where would I be?
Awesome. Find the Prophet Gary. Veritanium.
Let me know when you find something you like.
I'm saving up for the Drill Hound at the moment. I'm trying to fully upgrade the blast pistol though, just for a trophy as well. Oh, is that Gary?
Hey,
Yeah, I think it is.
Weird question. You wouldn't happen to know anything about building a Dimensionator, would you?
Ratchet? Ratchet! Gary! Your reputation precedes you.
Yeah.
You'll need to go to the interdimensional archives. My apprentice can help you. But,
Town under attack?
how did you know?
I'll go check it out. I think I still remember how to stop an invasion. So I'm guessing these nefarious guys are looking for a Lombax?
Yes, that did tip me off that you'd be coming. Good luck, Ratchet.
Whoa, what the hell is that?
Flying sniper bot? That's a new one.
It was not my fault that the Lombax got away. Still on range, an intruder. Nothing's fine.
There you go. Nice. Rick O'Shea. Gun. Topiary Sprinkler. We'll go with that. Mr. Throw that down just to get some. Nice, the Enforcer's now level 4. Aha! Ha. Skeletor down there. Yeah.
Another town saved. Now,
Okay.
those archives.
So is this an old Lombax village? Huh.
Gary said his apprentice is at the archives.
Yeah, it was at the archives, but it doesn't mean I want to go to the archives first, Ratchet. I have to try and get some upgrades and things first, don't we, of course. Right, there's another... Oh, 1 second guys, I'll be... Alright, sorry about that, we are back. My granddad did just ring me though. Hello! Oh, for God's sake, where is that? There's a terrarium thing around here somewhere. There it is, Raritanium. Oh, that's got all these boxes I missed. Oh, I've got 10,000 now. So let me just go back to Mrs. Zircon and get that. Get the drill hound.
That building just beyond the town. It must be the archives.
It is, Ratchet.
You know good merchandise when you see it.
Nice. Blast pistol. No, I just need 2 more for that, and the blast pistol's fully upgraded. I vaguely remember the Drill Hound might have been in one of the other Ratchet and Clank games I played. Ricochet ammo. What do you call a bouncy Irishman? Ricochet. Doing a test this out.
No! Whoa! Hey!
So embarrassing.
You all right? That was quite the landing.
Who are you?
Sorry, You look so familiar. I'm Ratchet. I'm here to find, I think it was Gary's apprentice. I need to build a Dimensionator.
Oh dear. Well, there's little I can do, seeing as my archives are walking away. How do I get back up there?
Oh, you're his apprentice. Maybe we could work together?
I do not make a great partner.
How about this?
I wonder if
you
she
feel
was
badly, which
Rivet's
you
friend,
won't,
though.
We go our separate ways. No questions asked. Team?
Sure. Team. For now. In
Cool.
order to reach the archives, we must rescue the monks from Nefarious's forces. Here, these hover boots will help us travel across the mesa quickly.
Hover boots. Boots that lets us hover. Oh, this is awesome.
We will need help from the monks.
We are now Shadow the Hedgehog.
Reach the archives. They should be in their temples.
First stop, temples. Hey, I never caught your name.
Oh. I am KT-7461.
We're gonna call you Katie.
Pleasure to meet you.
There are 3 temples nearby. The Mountain Temple, the Primeval Forest Temple, and the Temple de Badlands. We call it the Badlands Temple.
This is very Sonic Frontiers. Just me that gets that vibe. There you go, this is now open. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a Lombax.
Wait a second. Is that a Lombax shrine?
A lorb?
What the heck is this?
Oh, a law orb. Nice.
So, I had a weird meeting this morning. Caden came in. Apparently, the council liked my mapping work on Savali enough that they want me to expand it. By mapping every dimension.
Oh. Coins, orbs, rubies, overcharge, default. Is the overcharge a reference to Sunset Overdrive? Because they're both made by Insomniac, aren't they? Fun fact, by the way, I found out the other day, I don't know how true this is, that Insomniac only made $15 off Sunset Overdrive. Or something like that. They made profit, yeah, but only a little bit. Which surprised me when I found out. Still quite interesting though, I think. I enjoyed Sunset Overdrive though, to be honest. I thought it was alright. I enjoyed it for what it was. I knew it wasn't.
Ask you a question? As a Lombax?
Sure, but I'm not really an expert on the Lombaxes. I'm kind of the last one in my dimension. Yo, I'm from another dimension.
Yes, I know.
You do?
I am Gary's apprentice.
Oh, I wanted to get off the thing.
More sand sharks!
No, no, Ratchet, I'm sorry.
What did you want to know about the Lombaxes?
We believe the Lombaxes used, and perhaps built, the temples here.
Okay,
Do you know why they would have built them?
no idea.
Really? I guess it was to keep knowledge about the Dimensionator hidden.
I see. Thank you anyway.
I still messed it up. I can't make this jump now. Ratchet! 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 God damn it. I'm trying to dismount the grind rail, but he doesn't like doing it. No, Ratchet! There you go, I did it.
More sand sharks!
Yeah, we're alright. Don't worry about them. Alright, so we gotta go up here now as well, have we? No.
So, how'd you get to be Gary's apprentice?
It is a long story. I am lucky that Gary saw potential.
Hang on.
You seem different from the other monks around here.
I know. I am smaller.
That's not what he means.
Don't feel bad. I'm usually the shortest person in the room except for Clank. Or my best friend.
No, there's enemies here because of that now. Do you get XP per hit on an enemy, or is it per shot fired? It's per hit on an enemy. There you go. It's quite fun, I enjoyed that. Right, so there's one over here. I feel like they could have sped this up if they gave Ratchet a motorbike or something. Then again, we're not playing Days Gone.
Feel free to browse.
Fully upgraded gun!
That is practically bursting with power now.
It is, isn't it? I'm gonna upgrade the Ricochet, I think.
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Oh, he'll be back, don't worry. You're still selling weapons, right? As long as you're selling firearms, I will be here. I was gonna say, oh, this one's missing. Free the monks at Earth Pierce the Temple.
Here is one of our senior archivists.
Where? Oh, hello.
Whoa, can it be? A brother Lombax?
You, know we're not related, right?
Cha we are, by our mutual thirst for knowledge. Check this out. A shrine the Lombaxes built ages ago, containing a lorb stuffed with ancient info. But only a Lombax can unlock its secrets. If you could bring me 3 lorbs, I'll hook you up with a sweet piece of armor I dug up.
Oh, cool.
Lombax shrine? I'll totally help.
Radical! One last thing. Shrines won't open if there are bad vibes nearby. So if there are, you'll have to clear them out.
Right, shrines don't like bad vibes. Alright. Shrine's just trying to be out here vibing. Oh, that's how I do that. I do actually become Shadow the Hedgehog. I was taking the mic when I said that. I didn't actually... He actually does the Shadow the Hedgehog animation and everything. That's actually kind of cool.
He always has my back, no matter what.
Where is he now?
Helping me stop Nefarious. But we had to split up.
Oh. I am sorry.
Okay. Awesome. Are these hostile? Yes. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to use the Enforcer on these guys because they are actually taking a bit of a pounding. Oh yeah, that sped it up. That sped up the process. Oh, there's some Veritanium here too, apparently. Where? Oh, there. No? Got some Ricochet ammo though.
They are holding the monks prisoner. Ratchet, we must save them. They are our
Okay.
only way to the archives.
We'll get them out, I promise!
We got this, Ratchet. Oh dear, they've got that again.
More of the Emperor's forces.
At least the monks are safe behind that shield.
For now.
For now.
Have some fun. Is the Emperor paying you to plug him this much?
Let us interrogate the Lombax. It's an appropriate amount of pummeling.
How much pummeling is it? Stop this futile assault. Application.
It is fighting back.
Haha.
Sniper box.
Oh, Oh.
He's coming.
Can't take much more of this.
Really powerful.
1 second, Ratchet. Sorry. Drill Hound.
All nefarious forces.
Surely use the topiary sprinkler a bit more.
Ratchet.
Happy to help. And kick nefarious trooper butt.
Ratchet. That terminal. I must access it.
There you go. Shut down. Like Skepta says, Fashion Week and it's shut
I
down.
am relieved you are all right.
It is like so wonderful to see you, Sister KT-7461.
Did Nefarious's troops find the other temples yet?
Not sure, but we'll let Brother Gary know you rescued us. Sister. And
Should we, you know...
Temple down, 2 to go.
I know the monks are trying
Well, can we
to
not
stay
just start
strong.
calling Katie Katie
Cruelty of the Emperor.
They'll be all right.
or KT instead of Seven, whatever? I feel like that makes a bit more sense. I'm surprised they didn't go with a little theme though, like they didn't give.
7461. Do you have a nickname?
The
Yeah,
monks
there we
call
go.
me sister.
That feels more like a title. Let's try some out. How about KT?
No,
I got it. Sunshine. Your nickname. Because you're yellow?
I do not think so.
Kit? We'll keep working on it.
so Katie's a no-go, right?
How did you get here anyway? The Lombaxes.
Well, this guy, Dr. Nefarious, stole the...
Doctor? An alternate dimension nefarious.
Yeah, and he, has kind of taken over as Emperor here.
This is worse than I thought.
I got a trophy called Extreme Gardening. That's funny. Oh, the ricochet's out of ammo. It's a shame, that's the one I wanted to use.
Ugh, looks like I can't get that lorb until I get rid of the hostiles.
What lob? Oh, that lob.
Let's see what those bots found.
Yep.
Brother Lombax, the leg armor is yours if you bring those lorbs back to me.
Thank you. I'll bring them back in a moment. I'm just gathering all these bolts and things that have been left on the floor. Oh dear God. Hell yeah. That was fun. Okay. Right, I can give that back to the... to the monk, can't I? Who's over here? There he is.
Hey, if you can bring me 4 more lords, I'll give you some chest armor to match those legs.
Max relax. Oh, so the shrines are only located... So all the Lombax shrines in the game are located on this planet. That's not terrible. That's alright. Carbonox advanced. Plus 5% bolts gained. Oh, I'm getting that armor set. Oh. That's what I get for not looking where I'm going.
Did you and Clank come to this dimension together?
Yeah,
We did.
but he's traveling with someone else now.
A new best friend?
I hope not.
I did not mean he was replacing you.
Right, yeah.
You got the lorb? Nice. Now you should be able to listen to whatever's recorded on it.
Nyom. Oh, hello. We've got to catch up to you, have we? It's not going to be a problem. It's going to be ramping onto you that's going to be the problem. Oh, I got stuck on something. Try to intercept. There you go. Got you. Awesome.
You've always wondered what secrets laid within these lorbs.
I'll probably give these all a listen to off camera because I want to learn more about Ratchet and Clank, to be honest. This game has lore?
We're in a sand shark den.
Oh. Mama bear here. She not happy.
May I give you advice based on the observations of the monks?
What?
Go ahead.
Even if Clank does become the other person.
I hate you all.
That was so left field, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect the Mr. Fun guy to go, I hate you all, I don't know why that made me laugh so much. Whoa! That's how we get the golden screw.
want to pawn me.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to give it you yet. I'm just going to try and gather all the lorbs, and then we're going to go give it to Old Timer. Ow! Oh! Oh dear. I need ammo for things. Oh nice. Drill Hound's got ammo in it now. Those ammo boxes there. Forgot, it's the fun guy ammo. It's better than nothing, brev. Cover all these bolts up. Still a weapon in the shop we've not yet acquired. It's only 8,000, so I'll be able to grab that, no problem. Nope. He dead. Please don't slide off this ratchet, thank you. There we are. Awesome. Alright, so what's the next one? Some raritanium over there as well.
Oh, nice work, brother Lombax. I'm grabbing the chest armor now, so just bring those lorbs over and it'll be yours.
I might as well grab the other 5 because I'm guessing that'll give me the helmet, right? Whoa. That was a bit excessive. Oh, there's more things around. Nice. Right, and there's people to free over there, so we'll go do that as well.
Primeval Forest Temple. Emperor has no respect for any of them.
Right, Mr. Fun Guy.
Let's teach him something.
I just think they're neat, sorry. Throw that up there. Topiary sprinkler.
Cannot believe how
Whoa, that's a big guy.
I am to deliver the Emperor's glorious fury. First to you, and then to those monks.
Nice, Topiary sprinkler just leveled up. You love to see it. Ow. Oh, I'm out of them again.
Not there. I will get you out of there. The monks are caught in another force field.
Woo! It does a fair bit of damage though, doesn't it? You know what I'm saying? Let's finish him off. There we are, he's down. Free rotating him as well for putting him in a coma. Oh, I'm out of ammo completely. It's alright.
Ratchet, I must use that terminal to free my brothers.
No worries.
This system is quite old and intricate. It will take some time to disable the force field.
Take as long as you need. I'll handle these guys.
Alright, you've filled me up on ammo. Nice. That's good because I needed it.
Troopers! Coming in the main entrance! Go! That's on me!
Yeah, I didn't need to do that.